Today, quick review video about those JBL Bluetooth speakers. I did purchase them just to make unboxing and tutorial video. I'm not the kind of user of that kind of speaker, but I do know them kind of well now, and here's my little purchase guide. Why JBL? For having testing some of them, I think that if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker, something that you want to carry, that is easy to carry, that play kind well, that is not too expensive, that give you most for the money, JBL is the way to go. Because they are not that expensive for what they are. They are easy to connect. You can play with the volume over here. You can pair it very easily. Easy to connect. They are not playing super well, but for the money you put into it, that's very reasonable. First one, JBL Go 4. They almost gave it. The price of this is very, very, very low. You can check it with the link in the description. It's very, very low. This one, well, it plays better than your phone. That's for sure. But I would not listen to music on this unless it's a very, very low volume. As soon as you start to crank it up, it doesn't play very well. But I'm very picky with the sound quality. It's impressive how loud this can go for the size of it. The sound quality it delivers at this high volume is terrible. Terrible. But for the price you pay, that's amazing. Now, the JBL Flip 6. This one I think is my favorite. Actually, it's my favorite. Yes, it's more expensive than this one. Probably somewhere as double or triple, but I think it's the one that gives you the most for your money. For the price you pay, you've got something that play well. Not great. Well. The volume is quite impressive. It can go quite high for a speaker of that size. It's always the thing, like every JBL speaker, it's rock solid. You don't care. You will not break it. It can rain on it. You can drop it. It's dust proof. There's no input. It's very, very well done. It's cheap. It play well. Easy to connect. I like this one. There's this big guy, but between those two, there's also the Charge. That is also good. I don't have it anymore. It's a similar model as this one, but just bigger. Play well, play very loud. I remember I had put it in the corner of my loft over there, and I was quite impressed at how loud it can be, and the sound quality was also great. I just like this one better because it's easier to carry. It's very small. If you want to have music somewhere, you can take this one anywhere. It's small and I like it. The other one is just bigger and harder to carry. This one, it's the JBL Xtreme 4. It's big. It's also rock solid. You've got that sub on each side. You can also put a belt over here so you can carry it on your shoulder. No, I just don't like this one. It's way more expensive than the Flip, and the sound quality is better on the 6. The sound is more just. The equalizer is better on this one. This one is just loud. The sound quality is not that good. Unless you are at low volume, but when you crank it, if you want to have high volume, you can have it with this one. But the sound quality just not follow up. And that belt, It's just something that I don't like. I respect other people, so I don't want to make everybody around to listen to my music. So I will not use it. I think it's very disrespectful. But yeah, don't recommend this one, but all the other one, that's great. This very cheap, but play okay. This cheap and play well. Good, not well. Well, yeah, well, just not great. It's well. So, I hope this little guide was helpful. Take care, and I'll see you into another video. See ya.